video, I'll be showing you how to create associations on your contacts. So first we're going to want to head under Clients, Clients and Matters, and click on the client name. Click on Contacts, and we're going to create a new contact. So let's say for this client, Amber Little, there is a contact called John Smith, and John Smith has a lot of different matters. We're going to create John Smith as the main contact for this client, and then we are going to associate John Smith with the other clients and matters. So we're going to want to leave the type as main, and then assign a title and add all the other details. Make sure you add in an email address for invoicing purposes and the phone number and address details. And then you can see that this associations link has appeared. I'm going to click on that, and all of my clients and matters are listed here, so I can now associate John Smith with all the other relevant clients and matters. After you have done so, just go ahead and click Save Associations, and now you have associated this one contact with all these different clients and matters, eradicating the need to create any duplicates.